Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Educational Webinar Jam. This session will be delivered by Mr. Mahmoud Eden Sijar, who is a PhD candidate on teaching English as a second language at the Faculty of Education, University Technology, Malaysia. He has also been working as assistant professor at the Department of English, Sailat International University, Bangladesh. He is particularly interested in how technology could help English language teaching. Mr. Siraj is a reviewer of some Q1 journals, and his research has been published in Scopus Index journals. There will be a Q&A session at the end of the webinar. Please use the chat box to post your questions, and they will be answered at the end of the webinar. Now, without further ado, I'll request Mr. Siraj to enlighten you all with his expertise.
Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum. Good afternoon and good evening. Actually, today's session is Software for Reference Management, Mendeley. You are most welcome to this session. Actually, we know that citation and reference are integral part of research and educational purpose. And just wait. Okay. As citation and reference are integral part of educational research. That's why it is very important for a researcher to put correct citation and reference. If you do it manually, I think many of you have experience to do manually. It took many times. Okay, but in this regard, mainly softwares, those could help a lot to do accurate and correct citation and put the accurate and correct reference style. Okay, that's why I think today's workshop or today's webinar would be very helpful for researcher to maintain or to put their citation and reference correctly with software, namely Mendeley. Okay. The content today will cover those. These are like introducing software for reference management, hands-on on Mendeley, building database of your articles with Mendeley, Mendeley link to MS Word, articles reading through Mendeley, citation management, and reference management. Actually, there are a lot of citation software are available in the website or at many other educational institutions. Okay, this software would help to provide us automatic reference and automatic citations. Okay, we call this process as the automatic reference generator. We can also call this software as citation management tools. Okay, those are very important for giving. I have already mentioned that to put proper citations. Citations according to different styles. MLA, APA, Chicago, Harvard. Okay, you can put as you like. Okay. This software would help to build up bibliographies, footnotes, or reference sections. This software also provide you research libraries or database of your articles. Okay, these types of softwares also helpful to use your articles. Your article database outside your device or outside your network. Into another process. Okay, efficaciously you can use this software. Okay. And more importantly, this software would help to read your articles or studies quickly and very effectively. Okay. These are the softwares available in the different websites. You can easily find this. Some of them are costly, not free of cost. Some of them are free of the cost. Okay, today's session I will conduct on Mendeley. Mendeley is a free software, freely downloadable software. Okay, the other reference software is like Citation C, Jotaro, EndNote, ReadCube, Papers, Scout, Quitka, Cite4Me, or org, BibDesk, CiteV, etc. These are a few names of referencing softwares. Okay. Okay, today's our session is Mendeley. We will just look on overview of Mendeley. Okay, like this. Mendeley is a reference management software. This software is founded by one of the companies in UK. It was introduced in 2007, and very interestingly, this software was introduced by three PhD students, okay, who were doing their PhD in different universities in UK. Mendeley itself, a one-line database. I will explain in this way that within this Mendeley, you can also download your articles from some databases like Elsevier. Okay. Mendeley linked to Elsevier publishers. Mendeley is freely downloaded and used. There are more than 600 reference styles within Mendeley system. Mendeley is also provide a platform for social networking like Facebook or LinkedIn. And most important thing that the Mendeley, whenever you will create your account into Mendeley and you will use to with Mendeley, you can use this Mendeley account without your own device. I mean, with one PC, you have installed or you have downloaded your Mendeley, and from another PC with your account, you can use this database of your articles. Okay. Okay, what can Mendeley do? I have already give you some ideas. It is it provides a reference management systems. It only deals with PDFs. It generates citations. It generates reference list. It share references. Manage your profile as well. I mean, a profile. It works like a social networking, like Facebook. Simply, it is your digital library. Actually, the most important thing is that Mendeley, whenever you will put your articles or your studies within Mendeley, it means it becomes your virtual library. Okay, wherever, whenever, and what types of device you open with, you can access. Okay, hopefully, I think you have already downloaded this software. Okay. Just wait. I think you have already downloaded. Can you raise your voice, or you can note who can't download this one? Anyone is here who face difficulties to download, and you can put your chat if you have any problem. Okay. Okay, primarily, I think that all of you have Mendeley in your system, whether it is Mac or Windows, PC or laptop. I think you have already installed within your system. Okay. Now,
Suraj, we cannot see your screen. Could you kindly share your screen?
Yeah, I will share my screen. Okay, just wait a bit.
Thank you.
Actually, my question is that if you have any problem to download or install this software, we will discuss at the end of our session. Okay. With this, I will enter into hands-on. Okay. How this software you can use. Okay. For this purpose, you just I'd like to share whole screen. So can you see Mendeley on my screen? Hello? Can you see Mendeley on my screen?
No, sir. No. No.
Okay, just wait a bit. Okay. Actually, these are the Mendeley in my system. This is my digital library. Here I have almost 3,000 articles, okay, for my different studies purposes. Okay. And probably your Mendeley, this one is blank. Whenever you will freshly or newly download Mendeley and open this Mendeley, and you will find this one is blank. Okay, there is nothing. Okay. So this means you have to do one thing whenever you install first step of Mendeley. After installation, you will go to the top of the screen. There is File, Edit, View, Tools, Help. Okay. First thing you would like to do, see there is Install MS Word plugin. Okay. I mean, whenever you install your Mendeley, first thing you will do, this one is Install MS Word plugin. Okay. My one, it shows uninstall MS Word because it has already installed. Okay. Whenever you will finish this process, that means whenever you plug in your Mendeley with MS Word, after this, first thing you will do, what will you do? You will create a folder. You can find there is a option create folder. Okay. You can see there is a create folder.
Sorry,
You just
Mr.
click.
Siraj, we cannot see your screen. Can you please try to share it again?
Okay. What's the problem?
We can see his screen.
Okay, right now, can you see my screen?
Yes. That's fine.
Okay.
That's good, thanks.
Okay, first thing you will find after installation this Mendeley into your device or system, you will find at the top of the screen there is File, Edit, View, Tools, Help. You click on Tools, you will find there is Install Web Importer and Install MS Word plugin. Okay, you just installed this MS Word plugin. Okay. And it shows uninstall MS Word plugin after plugged in with MS Word. Okay. This is the first step. Second step, you will go to the create folder. This create folder option will be under, you will find my publications. You will find many options at the left-hand side of the screen. All documents, recently added, recently read, favorites, needs review, my publication unsorted. Okay, like this, under unsorted, you will find there is a create folder. Okay. Just click on create folder and you give the name of this folder. Okay. One thing is that Mendeley helps you to manage and organize your articles or your studies that you are going to study or that you have already studied. Okay. And you can also segregate it or split it, these articles into different, under different folders. Okay. So today's I will put this name as workshop. Okay. The articles today I will use. Okay, I have already workshop. Okay. I just write down here workshop 1. Okay. And this is a new folder. Okay, I will show my folders here. Okay, look at, I have lot of folders. Okay, audio recording, background, camera, case study, community of practice, correlation, constructivism. A lot of articles are there. Okay, and inshallah, if you are new user, after some days, you may have also like this. Okay, so the things you have to clear that first you will create folder. Okay, give it according to your purpose, give the name of this folder. Okay, I have given this workshop 1. Okay, so now I would like to import my articles from my device into Mendeley. Okay, for this purpose, look at this. At the second topmost part of the screen, upper part of the screen, you will find there is add, folders, related, sync, help. Okay, there is add option. Okay, go to the add option. There are the some categories. Okay, add files, add folder, watch folder, add entry manually. Okay, as I have already given you 4 or 5 articles. Okay, in a under a folder. Okay, so I would like to import this folder. Okay, folder, add folder. Okay, just click add the folder. This is the options. This dialog box will show where you have put your articles that you have already downloaded from the internet, okay, or other sources. Okay, so look at this, my one. I have put this under working folder. There is workshop folder. Okay, under this I have myself. Okay, so this is okay. This is not the right folder. Okay, just so I have to go to the my working folder. There is workshop, and under workshop there is the self workshop and educational webinar jam. There is workshop Mendeley. Okay, I have given some articles under this folder. Okay, just select this folder and click OK. Okay, look at this. Mendeley is preparing to import those articles into Mendeley systems. Okay. Okay, look at this. These are the articles that I have given you. Okay. Look at this. Whenever you imported your articles into Mendeley, you will find your article is like this. There is the authors into a column. Another column there is title. Another column is year. Another column published in. I mean, in which journal it has published, in which book it has published, or in whether it has been published. This one will be like this. Okay. And after this, there is added time when I added these articles. Okay, this date and time will be here. Okay, so in this way, you can import your articles from your device into Mendeley. Okay, after this, right now, you will see that there are the some articles. Look at that the some articles, all the informations are not given. Okay, author's name, it's okay, title okay, year is okay, published in, here published in is not mentioned. Okay, so you open this article. Okay. Actually, this is not article, this is a thesis paper. Okay, a thesis. Okay. So whenever you click this, or any article or any title, when you will click, you will find at the right hand side of your screen, there is this dialog box. Okay. This dialog box is like, you will see that they're the details of your articles. Okay. This is title of your articles, author's name. It is reference paper, conference paper. That's why there is the title of the conference. Okay. Year, publishing year, page. Okay. There is a ICBN number. Okay. Like this. Okay, one more thing, I would like to share this one. Okay, look at this. This is the, look at type. You will find there are different types of writings, journal articles, magazine article, thesis, there are a lot of book sections, okay, case study. There are a lot of different types of pieces of papers that you have mentioned here. But primarily, as a researcher, we need articles, journal article, we need a thesis, we need book chapters, books, okay, conference paper. These are the 4 targets, okay, target area of collecting secondary data. Literature, for literature review, I have to collect these 4 types of writings. Okay, but into Mendeley, there are so many different types of options of writings that you can. There is also web page. Okay, whenever you will input into this Mendeley, you can save this as web page. Okay, but most importantly, we primarily look at journal article, conference paper, book, and book chapters. Okay, these 4 sources are mainly we could deal, or mainly these are our target area. Okay, so look at type, journal article. There is the title, author's name. There is the the journal's name, publication years, volume, issues. Okay. Abstract, sometimes abstract will come automatically. Okay. There is the URL number I have in this article, but not here. Okay. But you can put into URL number. Okay. Whenever you imported your articles into Mendeley, you will check this. Check this right-hand side of your screen. There are the details of your papers or your studies. Okay. And as you have seen here, URL is missing here. Okay. So click this article. Is there any URL number? Yes, there is URL. Okay. You can just copy this. Then just copy and paste under this heading. Okay. URL. Because sometimes for some journals, we mention reference including DOI number. Okay. URL number and DOI number. Okay. As I have here URL number, now DOI number. Okay. Digital object identifier number of my articles or journals. As it is missing, so I just copy this number. DOI number usually starts with 10. Okay, this is the URL number. Whole URL, sorry, this is the DOI number. DOI number begins with 10. Okay, so all the information except abstract I have put here. But in some cases, this one will be automatically added within Mendeley. Okay. As I have these articles before, I think that's why it has missed out some information. Okay. Okay, after this, whenever you will complete this checking of these informations, as these articles or thesis papers or generic papers have all the informations, then you will go to read out. Okay. So normally we read PDF format or PDF file as usual, but my suggestion is that you cannot usually read out with PDF. I think I suggest you must use Mendeley or any other software to read out your articles, because it will bring a lot of things I will show right now. Okay, first thing, whenever you are reading these articles, say for these lines are very important. You say that this line is very important. Okay, what can you do? You can do one thing is you can highlight this. Look at this. Whenever you select, there are the three options. This is the highlight this text. This is the in text, highlight this text and add a note. Okay, I mean these lines or these paragraphs, what does it mean? You can write down here. Okay, because whenever you read an article today, and after today, surely you must forget what you have thought during that time when you were reading that article. Okay. In this regard, my important suggestion is that you must use any reference management software to read out your article, because say for you are reading these lines, and whenever you go through this line, you have come one point into your mind. Whenever you got some ideas, you just select and click this, okay, and add the note. Okay, what types of things, or what the ideas, or what the themes, or what are the concepts in these ideas, you can just write down. Okay, I just write down, say for readiness. Okay, readiness of teachers of, or sorry, readiness of teachers, learners. Okay, readiness of learners. Okay, so for this one is just an example. Okay, of learners. Okay, I just put here this one. So this one is, I called, this one is your permanent database, reading database of your article, because it will remain unchanged with any device you can use. Okay. That's why this virtual or digital library would be your permanent reading library. Okay. So one thing, whenever you will get this, okay, this new idea, you just select and you just write on notes. Okay, notes means your theme. Okay, what theme you would use here. Okay. So for like this, you have gone through another article. Okay, you go through another article and you will find another themes. Okay, as we have time limitation, I just read out one article. Okay, like this. How can you read out and how can you use for citation and references? Okay. So for you get your themes here, readiness of learners. Okay. So right now you will go to your Word file or MS Word, where you are writing your thesis or your research paper or whatever you like. Okay, here, can you see my Word file?
No.
Okay, just wait. Okay, my point is that whenever you will get your point, means readiness. Okay, I just prepare and readiness of learners. This is your themes. Okay. Okay, you have several. This is your one of the themes as described in this paragraph. Okay. You may just copy or you may write down. You just copy and okay. Look at this readiness. Under readiness, you have write down this paragraph or these lines. Okay. You have written these lines under readiness. Readiness is a theme of your paper into your literature part, review part, or your discussion part. Okay. So you got this line. It's also readiness of learnings. You want to inside this. You have written these lines. Okay, you paraphrases or you have written in your own words under these themes or explaining these themes. Now you want to cite. How can you cite? Look at this. At the top of the screen, there is the home, insert, design, layout, references. Okay. Can you see my MS Word file?
Yes, we can see.
Okay. Look at this. There is a reference. Just click on reference. Whenever you have clicked, one thing I could remind you that you have already imported MS Word or plugged in MS Word and Mendeley. This one was your first job after installation of Mendeley into your device. Okay. From this part, whenever you will click on reference, you will find this is insert. There is insert, citation. Look at this. There are the style. I have already told you that there are more than 600 different types of styles. Okay. Look at this. There is American Medical Association, American Psychology, APA, 6th, 7th, Chicago, okay, IEEE, Harvard, there are more. Okay. Which one you would like? Okay. Normally we need APA, okay. American Psychological Association. So far. Now I would like to insert my citation. There is, look at insert citation. Can you see insert? Just click on insert. After clicking on insert, you will find this dialog box. Okay. And this dialog box says, my library, go to Mendeley, okay, cancel. So we will go to Mendeley. Just click on go to Mendeley. Okay, can you find Mendeley file, Mendeley on my screen? Can you see?
No, we cannot see any dialog box on Mendeley.
Okay. Okay, just say. Okay, look at this. Okay. I think one MS Word part you understand. Okay, whenever you will click on insert citation, there will be a dialog box. On this dialog box, there is a small dialog box. Okay, there is a option go to the Mendeley. Whenever you will click this, go to the Mendeley. Okay, you will find there are the lot of options. Okay. The option is like Okay, whenever you will come with go to Mendeley, this option, you will find, look at the top of the screen, and under the first row, there is several options. Okay, select, pan, note, highlight, and at the end of this line, there is cite. Before cancel, there is cite. Okay, help, cancel, cite. Look at this. Whenever you will find this cite, you just click on cite. And your citation will come automatically. I don't understand why whole screen cannot be shared. Okay, whenever you press on the site on Mendeley, you will find this one automatically. Look at this. This citation is automatic here. Okay, this style is American Psychological Association, APA or APA. Okay. So after this, I need to add another citation. Okay. A similar concept or similar idea you have found into another articles. So you will do the same thing, put the cursor after this citation and click on insert citation and go to the Mendeley, and there is another article, say for this one, and click on cite, and you will find another citation consecutively. Okay, side by side, there are two citations. Okay, and whenever you have two citations, okay, and you can't write this two citation like this because you need to merge. Okay. For this, for merging this, you have to select both references. Okay, and go to the merge citation. There is a merge option. You click on and look at this. This two citation has automatically merged. Okay. In this way, if you have more than 2, 3, 5 citations consecutively, you can select all these citation and click on merge. In this way, you can put your citation. Okay. So now, how can I will do my reference? Look at this. This is my reference. I will put my reference here. So my reference will be bold and it will be 12 font. Okay. So right now, I need to put these citations under APA style. Okay, my reference style will be American Psychological Association. Okay, here I put my cursor under reference. Okay, and after putting this, I will click on insert citation. Just click on and sorry. Okay, so under reference, whenever I will put under reference my cursor, look at this. There is style at the end, and there is open Mendeley, and above this there is insert bibliography. Okay, I mean where you will find insert citation, after one column there is insert bibliography. Okay, whenever you will put your cursor under reference and you click on insert bibliography at the top of your screen. Okay, upper part of your screen, there is an option called insert bibliography. Just click this insert bibliography. Okay, look at this. This is automatic or automated reference systems. It has already come out into your paper. Okay, okay. You have citation. There are two citation, Hassan and Ibn Shiraz, and with these two citations, there are two references automatically. Okay, Hassan, Ibn Shiraz. Okay, automatically everything. Actually, Mendeley or these types of reference management software reduce a lot of works. Okay, burden of work of a researcher. Okay, in this way, you will find your citation and references. Another thing is that, more interesting thing is that you have, say, for okay, this is paper. You have another point under this or another concept to explain this readiness. And you have got this idea from another researcher. Okay, you put this idea here. And for these citations, you go to insert citation, and after this there is a dialog box, and after this dialog box go to Mendeley, and there is this article that you have already checked out, and there is the site. Go to the site and click on site, and you will find Chang. Okay, look at this. Here is Chang 2019, and the reference automatically come here. Okay, 2019. But there is a problem that all the titles, the word of titles, are in the capital letter. Okay. Actually, very few journals wants these types of title where there is all capital letters. Okay. So how could you solve this problem? Go to the Mendeley and go to that article. Look at this. All these articles, this title of these words are capital letters. Okay. All these words in this title are capital letter. Okay. But where you want to submit your article, this journal would not support or would not suggest these types of reference where there is the capital letter. Okay. Usually in APA system, there is no capital letters in titles for all words. Okay. Look at this here. There is the sentence categories or sentence system for titles. So what will you do? You just click this title or select all these titles and go to the home. You will find there is capital A and a small a together at the top of your screen. Okay. Under File, Home, Insert, you will find this. And whenever you will click, you will find sentence case, lowercase, uppercase, capitalize is word. Okay. So you could select sentence case as it has been used in APA style. Just select this, and this one is not italic. Okay. So remove this italic. Okay. In this way, your workload, especially for writing reference management and citations, this journal would help to reduce this load. Okay. In this way, you could input your citation properly and reference management. Okay. Okay, one more thing I would like to share that. So select all this wallpaper. This is APA style. Okay, you want to change this one, IEEE or Chicago. Okay. The most interesting thing is that whenever you will select wall text, and you will find there is the style, and there are so many style even you can create your own style. Okay. Sometimes some journals have their own style. Okay. This style is not common with other manual. Okay. So I would like to change this one into IEEE. Okay. So I just click on IEEE and look at this what happened. Look at this. This APA style has converted into IEEE. There is number 1, 2, 3, and there is a number 1, 2, 3. Okay, in this way, so far you have submitted this article into one journal. This journal require APA style, but they have rejected your article and it come into your hand. Okay. And now you want to submit into another journal, but this journal want to see your reference as Chicago style. You can change your this style within a few minutes, few seconds. Okay, 3-4 seconds, you could change your reference from one style to another style. This is a great advantage for referencing for a researcher. Okay. And I think you have been cleared about this. How could you cite and how could you manage your reference with the different styles of management manuals? Okay, you could easily submit. Okay. So I think that's all on this part. But actually, for this software to use this or to know ins and outs, everything of this software, you need actually not 1 hour. I think for one day it could not be finished because there are so many things, multiple functions of Mendeley. Okay, I just give you hints and I just give you one thing properly, citation and reference management. Okay, but beside these two, citation and reference management, there are some other multiple functions. Okay, but I could not cover this one within this time. Inshallah, next time at another session, I could. Okay, Ms. Maria, can you enter into
We have some questions. The first question is, could you please show how the document is downloaded from the internet to Mendeley?
Okay. Just wait. Okay, this is your Mendeley virtual database. Okay. You want to, there are two different ways you could download for this Mendeley. First one is within Mendeley, you will find there is at the left hand side of the screen, you will find literature search. Can you see literature search?
Yes, we can see.
Yeah. Here you just write down your title, whatever it is, say for mobile learning. Mobile learning. Okay, look at this. There are a lot of things. Okay. There are a lot of articles. Okay. The tick marks, look at this, some are ticks. Okay, that means these ticks articles are already within my database. Okay, but other are not. Okay, others are not. Okay. So I could download or I could, you just look at this, just click on and look at this at the right hand side. Sorry, right hand side here. There is, whenever you click on of this title, you will find there is a database on the right hand side. This one says that this document is not in your library. Okay, that means it is not within your library. It is not, but look at this. This one already saved to library. Okay, it means those titles are under tick. This one means it has already into my system. So this mobile learning, it has not within my reference system. So I could save this one reference. Okay. Just save, click on save. It will be automatically within your system. Okay. Look at this recently added article. Okay. Look at this mobile learning. It has already here. Okay. Sharples Mike P. Roy, Mobile Learning 2014. Okay. 2014, look at this, Mike Sharples RP 2014. In this way, within this Mendeley system, you could download this one, this types of articles. Okay. Another way is that whenever you will go to the Elsevier, okay, all the articles, those are published by Elsevier's, you could easily download this one into your Mendeley because there is an option saved as Mendeley file. Okay. Whenever you click on saved as Mendeley file, this one but most important thing, your account in Elsevier and your account in Mendeley will be the same, must be the same. If these two accounts are the same, then whenever you will find into Elsevier, there is saved to Mendeley. When you click, it will automatically come into your system. Okay, so it's save you times lot of time saving. Okay, this one is one kind of time saver for a researcher. Okay. So we can go to next question.
Thank you, Mr. Siraj. So the next question is, why is that sometimes Mendeley does not accept all articles?
Actually, I could not understand.
Why is
okay, yeah.
Not accept all articles?
All articles. Okay, actually, some articles may have some problems like this, like that. These are not into the one line or not available into the one line, or some articles DOI number is not properly imported into the one line. I think there are so many reasons. Even some articles who are not, but most important thing is that those journals are Q1, Q2, Q3, or Scopus indexed and Web of Science indexed. These top journals are automatically captured by Mendeley, but some other will not. Okay. So I think there may be these types of problem.
Thank you. We have another question saying, why can't we sometimes have all database articles on our drive populated in Mendeley? Why only reduced number?
Actually, I could not clearly understand, but one thing I could understand that someone tried to understand why do we need this database into Mendeley? Is this
why can't we sometimes have all database articles on our drive populated in Mendeley? So I think the person who asked the question, you can please open your mic and ask directly as well, please.
I think.
The attendee open her mic and ask herself, please.
Okay, if I could not do wrong like this, saying that the person wants to know why do we need a specific folder or a specific drive for Mendeley database. Actually, okay, maybe
can you please? Can you hear me?
Please. Yeah, we can hear you.
Yeah, thank you very much. First of all, greetings from Tunisia to you. That's an excellent presentation, really. I would like to say that sometimes when you are doing a research paper, you've got, of course, a database of articles on your hard drive. So whenever you just open Mendeley and want to upload or to populate Mendeley with all the articles you've got once for all, some of them do not really pop up there. So some of them just are dropped. So not all the database articles are accepted. Is it because of the DOI, as you said, or because of other problems of reference in relation to science or whatsoever?
They might be like this. Okay, because from my experience, those journals are the below standard. I mean, under Q3, sometimes they have these types of problems.
Uh-huh.
But whenever you will go through Q1 types journals, I mean, those journals have good reputation for a long time. Okay, these types of journals don't have any problem.
Yeah, that's why I sometimes, just populate with the things accepted by Mendeley, and then I've got just to write and to add the references manually.
But most important thing is that you should not do manually, because you have to do the list I have shown at the right hand side of the Mendeley, the details of your articles. Okay, you will fill up this one. Okay, whatever your article is published in online or not, it doesn't matter. If it is a PDF, and if you fill up this information on the right hand side of your screen, I think there will be no problem.
Okay. Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Okay, you are most welcome.
Thank you.
Do we have any more questions? We have just 2 minutes left to end the session. You can ask now. Any more questions for Mr. Suraj can be directed now, please.
We could take any more questions, 2, 3 questions if they have.
I think it's pretty much clear. Thank you, Mr. Suraj. We really appreciate your time and your contribution to our platform. And we hope to see rest of our attendees as well in the future webinars. Thank you very much. Bye for now.
Okay, you are most welcome. Thank you.